start with chapter number 9, the last lesson. In this chapter, we will study about the last lesson. Alfonso जो थे आपके उन्होंने एक last lesson दिया था अपनी mother tongue, क्योंकि स्कूल बंद होने जा रहा था. I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of scolding, especially because M. Hamel said that he would question us on principal. क्योंकि उन्होंने क्या कहा था, वो प्रिंसिपल पे हमसे क्वेश्चन करेंगे. And the first word about them, मुझे एक ही word नहीं पता उसके बारे में. For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out. और मैंने एक बार सोचा कि इन बात के चला जाऊँ और बोल के बाहर spend करूँगा. It was so warm, so bright. The word was chipping at the edge. और the words थी वो chipping कर रही. And woods and Persian soldiers were dealing in the open field and back of the sword. It was all much more tempting than the rule of participle, but I have strength to resist and hurried off. So usually क्या होता है, when school began, there was a great bustle which would be cleared out in the sea. But now it was so still. कि वो जाता है कि क्लास में सब चुपचाप बैठे थे, बहुत शांति थी. And Shamal walking up and down with a terrible iron under his arm. And I had to open the door and go in before everybody. You can imagine how blushed and how frightened I was. But nothing happened. And I was sorry and said nothing. क्यों कुछ नहीं कहते? I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Now till then, when I had to go little over my side, did I see that the teacher has beautiful green coat? उन्होंने एक beautiful green coat पहन रखा था. एक little black silk cap all embroidered. Never more except inspection day या prize day. वो हमेशा या तो इंस्पेक्शन डे पे या प्राइस डे पे बैन. ठीक है. नाउ एवरीबॉडी लुक सैड व्हाइल आई वाज wandering about in all and Hamel mounted his chair in same grave and gentle tone which he used to say, my children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come to from Berlin कि खाली जर्मन पढ़ाई जाएगी स्कूल में. ऑर्डर आए हैं. And the new master come tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I would be and I want you to be very attentive. अब आप कैसे रहेंगे? बहुत ज़्यादा attentive है. The idea that Hamel was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget about his ruler and how cranky he was. Poor man, I was in honor of his last lesson, and I understood why the old men of the village were sitting there, the top of the. Now, while I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called, and it was my turn to recite it. What would I have to give to able to say that dreadful rule of participle? क्या कहना है? ठीक है, very loud and clear without mistake, but I got mixed up on the first word and stood there. मैं पहले word पे mixed up हो गया, मैं नहीं खड़ा हो गया. Holding my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look, I heard M. Hamel say to me, I won't scold you, little frats. You must feel bad enough. See how it is every day, and we said to ourselves, I have plenty time, I will learn it tomorrow. And now you. आप हमेशा कहते थे मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है, मैं किसी और दिन पढ़ लूँगा, किसी और दिन कर लूँगा, और अब देखो एक day आ गया है. Now it's the last. See where you have come. You are not worse now, poor little friend. Your parents were not on excel enough to learn, and they pretended to put your work on farm. ठीक है. And so I have little more money, and I have been to blame you, and I have often sent you water my flowers instead of learning a lesson. और pushing के बेचता था holidays पे. Now from one thing to another, Mammal want to talk on the science language, saying that it is the most beautiful language in the world, what is the clearest, same most logical है. Then he opposed grammar and read us art lesson. उन्होंने grammar को oppose करा और lesson read करा. And he seemed almost as if poor men wanted to give us all, to put all our heads at once. वो एक ही दिन में सब कुछ हमें सिखाना चाहता. Now after the grammar, he had a lesson of writing. That day, Miss Hamel had new copies for us, written in a beautiful rough hand. They looked like a little flags floating everywhere. The only sound of scratching of pen over paper. Some beetles still, nobody paid many attention to them. No little ones who walked right of tracing hooks, and if that was frank. And the roof of the pigeon coop very low. I thought myself, will they make sing in German? क्या ये इन्हें भी जर्मन में बोलना सिखाएं? Whenever I looked up writing, I saw Hamel sitting motionless, और वो एक ही चीज पे ग्रेस कर रहे. For 40 years. He had been there in the same place when his garden outside the window and class in front of. 40 साल से वो यही पढ़ा रहे हैं, grace कर रहे हैं, and walnut trees in the garden were taller, and hope vine that he had planted himself twined about the windows to the room. How it must have broken his heart to leave poor men to hear his sister. Packing their trunks, and for they must leave the country next day, क्योंकि वो अपनी इस कंट्री को छोड़ के चले जाए. After the writing, he had a lesson on history. Then the babies chanted ba bee boo down there and back to the room, and Possers put the spectacles and both hands spelled letters. You could see that too was crying. कि वो भी क्या कर रहे थे, वो इमोशन से क्राई कर रहे थे. And it was funny to hear him that he wanted to laugh and cry. वो हंसना भी चाहते थे और रो भी रहे. ठीक है. Although I remember that it was a last lesson, on the once the church clock struck 12 and then the end. At the same moment जो trumpets थे, trumpets कौन होते हैं, मतलब इंस्ट्रूमेंट थे, वो सब क्या हुआ, of the Persians returning from their sounded and the widow and Howard stood up, very pale in his chair, and he looked at my friend. What he said? But something choked him, he could not go on. Then he turned to blackboard and took a piece of chalk, bearing in his hand, and he wrote in a language, Viva la France. ठीक है, मतलब then he stopped, mobile वो ने करा, school is dismissed, you may go. वो कह रहा था school अब dismissed हो गया, अब आप जा सकते. ठीक है. Now chapter has been complete. It was very interesting. Now we'll do the question and answer. Why was Frank frightened when he started for school? Because he has not learned the participle. What was all much more tempting than the rule of participle? ठीक है कि वहाँ बहुत शांति थी. I'm all आराम से क्लास में घूम रहे थे. What was the thing that surprised the French most? कि जो एन हैमिल्टन ने ग्रीन कोट पहना था, जो वो इंस्पेक्शंस डेज पे पहनते. Why was Anne Hamel said? क्योंकि वो क्या था, उनका लास्ट लेसन. Now take the correct option. Anne Hamel said that he would question on proposition, gerunds या फिर participles. When his friends reached the school, Anne Hamel was walking up and down with his favorite white dog, man wearing strange clothes, and his terrible iron. वो कहा था under his Anne Hamel has been teaching in the school for 40 years since childhood, yeah, 45 years. 40 years. Right through P for 2 and F for false, fans started school very late that morning. It's true. Anne Hamel scolded fans for being late. False. Wonder को नहीं डाला. Anne Hamel was in his beautiful green coat. It's true. The village people were sitting on the back benches. It's true. Anne Hamel has been teaching for 20 years in the school. कितने years से पढ़ा रहे थे? 5. Now swim the banks. I was in the great need of scolding. I want you to be very attentive. The only sound was rubbing of pen on paper. His voice trembled with pride. He made a dash to us with his hand. Good. Bye. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.